6. Hope you are studying well, staying home. Today we are going to discuss grammar 11th chapter, that is conjunctions. Case conjunctions we have already studied in 2nd standard. Do you remember something about conjunctions? Conjunction, what is conjunctions? A conjunction links word, phrases and clauses. You might be knowing some conjunctions. See. Not this, but that, or this or that, and but or. So all these words are called conjunctions. Today we are going to study about coordinating conjunctions. Now what is this coordinating conjunctions? A conjunction placed between words, phrases, clauses or sentences of equal mark, for example and, but, or. But there are 7 coordinating conjunctions. To remember all 7, you might want to learn one of these acronyms, that is FANBOYS. In short, you can keep in mind that is FANBOYS. F for, A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, as so. So in short, you can remember FANBOYS to remember which words includes coordinating conjunctions. Now we'll start with examples. See, I like reading books. I don't like listening to music. So here which conjunctions will use? But I like reading books but not listening to music. But when we are using but, it is generally used to show a difference between two clauses. Next one is, let's plan a get together or a picnic. When or conjunction is used, it is used to suggest an option or alternative. That is, which one should we suggest? A get together or a picnic. Next one is, I have not eaten dinner, so I am hungry. So now when this so word is used, this word is used to show the result of something. I am hungry. Why I am hungry? Because I have not eaten anything. I have not eaten anything, so I am hungry. That shows result of something. Hari is tall and smart. Now when this and is used, it is used when two similar points are made. That is, Hari is tall and smart both. So we are using and. She needs to be home for her grandparents. Now what this for suggests? It is used to explain the why in the situation. I am at home. Why? Because I need, my grandparents needs me. So I am at home. Neither the black cap nor the red one looks good on me. See here, two conjunctions are used, that is neither nor. It is used about similar two items, but in the negative sense. It is generally used after a neither. So neither the black cap nor the red one looks good on me. Now the last one is, the driver drove fast, yet I missed my train. Now when is this yet used? It is used to show a contrast in spite of something. Driver drove fast. Driver was driving fast, yet I missed my train. So yet is used to show a contrast in spite of something. Now we will see one exercise. Join the sentences given below with suitable conjunctions. Diya is well behaved. Diya is innocent. The correct answer is, Diya is well behaved and innocent. Why innocent? And is used. For what we are using and? Two similar points are made. So we are using here and. Samir went to office. Samir had a meeting. Which conjunctions here we will use? For. Good. Samir went to office for a meeting. Why he went to office? Here the explanation of why we use. So, for a meeting. Shall I wear a frock? Shall I wear a short? Here which conjunctions we will use? Shall I wear a frock or dress? Here we are suggesting an option or alternative that which one should I wear? Fourth one is I love to play basketball. I don't like to play tennis. In this case we will use but. Why but? Because it's showing a difference between two clauses. I am liking to play basketball but not of playing tennis. Here different two clauses are used. So we will use but. I love to play basketball but not tennis. So kids, this was all about conjunctions. Bye bye. Take care.